All rise. Judge Bundaby Court is now in session. Judge, this is case number 1004, Sauer versus Moffitt.
Thank you. You all may be seated. Okay, Ms. Sauer?
Yes.
You brought this case before the court. What's going on?
Well, George and I were engaged to be married. However, that did not. We broke up. In the process of being engaged, George adopted my 9-year-old son Travis.
Okay.
And even though we're not going to get married, I would like to seek child support from George for Travis, please.
Okay. Any objection to that?
Yes.
Let's pause right here. George admits he legally adopted Travis, and that's no small gesture. Under the law, once you adopt a child, you're fully responsible for them, biologically related or not. It doesn't matter if the engagement fell apart or if George had a panic attack. The court still sees him as a father. And the judge? She's not playing games when she says, Travis is your son. She's not speaking from emotion. She's stating a legal fact. Let's be real. This isn't about male pride or George being a nice guy. This is about stepping up. Question for y'all. If someone adopts a child and then walks away from the relationship, should they still be held financially accountable? Sound off in the comments.
Your Honor.
What is the objection?
Well, we were engaged. It was great. Her
Okay.
kid Travis he's really sweet.
Wait, her kid?
You
adopted him, right?
I'm not the biological father.
He's not.
adopted
but
him,
he
right?
you adopted Travis.
I was getting, yes, I did, yes. I'm not denying that I did adopt Travis.
So Travis is your son too?
Technically, yes.
Okay.
We were intending on marrying. I had a panic attack, Your Honor, a month before the wedding, and I ran out.
Okay.
I left. And we never got married. I don't make a whole lot of money, and
I'm not following you.
I don't really see Keely. I don't see Travis much these days.
Okay, hold up. George just told the judge he doesn't see Travis much these days, but then says he misses him. And right after that, he admits he probably should be paying child support. This kind of emotional flip-flop is exactly what makes courtroom drama so real. We're watching a man torn between guilt, fear, and maybe even love. But none of that changes the legal reality. Miss Sauer isn't asking for a reunion. She's asking for support. And honestly, who could blame her?
He misses you, and I miss you.
I'm not following you. You adopted Travis legally. He's your son,
Yes, Your Honor.
which means you should be paying child support for him.
I probably should.
Probably.
Have you ever done something that you maybe freaked out about? And
Yeah, sitting here listening to your story is freaking me out.
Okay. I'm a nice guy. I deliver the mail. You know,
Okay.
I in this neighborhood actually.
Oh, thank you for delivering our mail.
You're welcome. I like it. It's great.
Mr. Moffitt, you came here to waste my time, didn't you?
No, Your Honor.
Obviously you did, because everything you're saying about delivering mail in this neighborhood and you're a nice guy, that has nothing to do with child support. Travis is your son. You have an obligation to support him. It's just as simple as that.
Are you okay? You're not going to have another panic attack, are you?
Oh,
Okay.
do you really miss me?
Travis asked about you. I just want what's best for my son.
Wait, Your Honor, can we? What? He went.
Wait, what? The judge just said, why don't y'all just go ahead and get married? Is this support court or say yes to the dress? In a twist straight out of a rom-com, we go from you owe child support to I still have the ring, all in under 30 seconds. And now, we've got wedding vows in a courtroom. This is the kind of curveball that makes these cases unforgettable. And the cherry on top, the judge says, now that you're married, no child support needed. Boom. Case dismissed with a marriage license.
When is he asking about me?
He asked you know, he asks at night right before bed. I mean, you adopted him, so, you know.
Why don't you call and check on the child?
Just scared, I guess.
Scared of what?
You know, when I
You're
adopted.
mean to him? I mean, what's the? I feel like I'm missing something here. What am I missing?
I feel like, you know, George just, you know, George does have his panic attacks, but, you know, I just want what's best for my son, and, you know, and I want you to be happy too, George. I do. I want you to be happy.
I'm sorry, Your Honor. I'm sorry.
Oh.
So maybe I was wrong about you and Travis.
Do you want to?
Do you guys want to get back together? You're really making my heart jump over here.
I mean, I don't know. Maybe it's because I've never been in court before, Your Honor, but I feel like, yeah.
Maybe you guys should go ahead and get married.
What a journey. Today's case started with heartbreak and child support, but ended with reconciliation, accountability, and a surprise wedding ceremony. Judge Vaughn reminded us that while the law has rules, it also has room for redemption. Legally speaking, once the couple married, there was no need for child support. They're now a united household. But the bigger takeaway? Parenthood is more than paperwork. It's presence. If you found this case as shocking as we did, make sure to hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more jaw-dropping courtroom breakdowns. We break it down so you don't miss a moment.
Forget the whole engagement thing. Get married. Then you don't have to worry about child support. Sounds good, right?
Oh my gosh, that's so simple.
Keely, are you?
I still have the ring.
I mean, we could get married right now.
You can do that?
Of course.
Okay,
Okay,
yeah,
okay, sure.
Yeah, yes.
Okay. Mr. Moffitt, do you take this woman to be your wife?
Yeah, I do.
And do you take Mr. Moffitt to be your husband?
I do.
Okay, well, you guys are married and there is no child support.
Okay.
This is an ending we don't see very often in this court. So once you guys are married, no one pays child support, okay? So if there's nothing further from either of you, you all are dismissed.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome.